Hi there, my name is David, and in this particular topic, I'll be diving into one of the FCC's bulletin report to tell you or to share with you, what are the most restrictive limits, that they set for public exposure. Now, in this article from the Federal Communication Commission, the title itself is Evaluating Compliance with FCC Guidelines for Human Exposure to Radio Frequency Electromagnetic Field. Now, I'm going to read out to you on page 8 in the same bulletin. The new FCC exposure limits are also based on data showing that the human body absorbs radio frequency energy at some frequencies more efficiently than at others. As indicated by Table 1 in Appendix A, the most restrictive limits occur in the frequency range of 30 to 300 MHz, where whole body absorption of radio frequency energy by human being is most efficient. Now, at other frequencies, whole body absorption is less efficient, and consequently, the maximum permissible exposure limits are less restrictive. I would like to further explain my point by using one of the table in the same FCC bulletin, and this can be found in page 72. Now, on this table itself, it represents the FCC limits for maximum permissible exposure, MPE. And if you notice, there is two lines which indicates the exposure level set by the FCC. Now, the line in highlighted bold black color represents the occupational or controlled exposure, and the dotted line here represents the general population or uncontrolled exposure. If you notice, on the bottom line itself, it represents frequencies in megahertz, and the lowest point they set by FCC is actually between 30 to 300 megahertz, where the permissible exposure limit is only set at 0.2 milliwatt per centimeter square. Now, if I have to convert this unit into microwatts per centimeter square, it represents 200 microwatts per centimeter square. Okay, so it's very obvious that the FCC actually set it at 30 to 300 megahertz, and they can only accept up to 200 microwatts per centimeter square exposure. So this represents that this is actually the most restrictive limit set by FCC, and we should avoid radiation coming from this range as well. Okay, so this will be my explanation for this particular topic. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this Facebook page. I'll see you in the next video.